Day 13 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. Okay, guys, welcome back. It's good to see you again or hear from you. And today we have question number 58. Oh, hold on. Before we get to that, though, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to run them subscriptions up. We're trying to run that engagement up. And also, I need you guys to go drop a bank emoji in the comments. Don't you know that emoji is like a building with the dollar sign at the top, the bank emoji? Yeah, go ahead and drop them bank emojis in the comments for me, all my bankers, man, so we can run this engagement up real quick, run these views and subscribers up. Now, back to the question. Question number 58. Length of the last word. The difficulty level is easy, so you know what that means. We're going to get through this quick and simple. This might be the easiest, or maybe not the easiest, but this might be the simplest solution we have to date on this channel. I have not come up with a better solution this whole channel than the one I have today, so should be excited for that. Now, let's see what it says. It says, given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. So that's important, and I'm going to tell you why later, but the fact that it's consisting of non-space characters only is important in our answer, and we're going to need to remember that. So let's look at the examples. It says example 1. Input S equals hello world. The output is 5. Explanation, the last word is world with a length of 5. So if you don't know what that means, it means the last word is world, and if you count all the letters in the word world, there's 5 of them. You see, you got WORLD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 letters in the last word of the string, so the output is 5. Because remember, we're trying to count the length of the last word, hence the name of the problem. Let's look at example number 2, just so we can really hammer this home in case you guys don't understand yet. The input is S equals fly me to the moon. Now, if you look, there's a whole bunch of spaces in the string, which is there to, I assume is there to try to confuse everybody, but we're not going to let that confuse us. We're going to get the answer anyway, and we're going to continue doing what we do. You know why? Because it ain't nothing to it but to do it. So we going to do it. You hear me? And so let's look at the output. The output is 4. Why is the output 4? Yep, you guessed it, because the last word is moon, and there's 4 letters in moon. Explanation, the last word is moon with a length of 4. Right, so let's look at example 3. One more last example before we go on. It says input S equals Luffy is still Joy Boy. Output is 6. Why is the output 6? You already know why the output is 6, because Joy Boy has 6 letters. If you count all the letters in Joy Boy, you're gonna get 6. I guarantee it. Unless you just don't know how to count. But we all here we all programmers here, so I'm assuming we all know how to count. The explanation, the last word is Joy Boy with a length of 6. So let's see how we're going to do this. And I got something exciting for you guys, because we're going to do this in one line of code. That means we got a one-liner. This is the first one-liner we had this whole challenge. So that's pretty exciting. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I love one-liners, because what do I love to do? I love to keep it quick and simple. So let's see how we're going to do this. We're going to say S dot split. Then we're going to open up some brackets. We're going to say $0. Excuse me. We'll say $0 equals a space. You know what I'm saying? We're going to open up a string and we're going to put a space in there. And there it is. $0 equals quotation marks with a space. That's all it is. Just a space. Then we're going to say dot last exclamation point, because just in case there is no last, we're going to force quit. And then we're going to unwrap it. And then we're going to say dot count. And it's that simple. So what this split does is it splits every time in the string it sees a space, it's going to stop and it's going to split it. And it's going to split it. So remember, a word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. So what this is going to do is every time there's a space, We're going to keep going until we get to a substring consisting of non-spaces, and that's going to make us our word. And then we're going to count it at the end. We're going to go to the last word, and then then we're going to go to the last word, and then we're going to count it. Now let's run it and see what happens. Bada boom, bada bang, it's accepted. Let's submit it, see what we looking like. One line of code, all it took today. Not bad. We beat 78.5, 78.45 users with Swift. That's not bad for day 13. I will see you guys tomorrow. That's going to be, get excited because that's going to be the end of week 2. Hope to see you guys there.